family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about Uthando Nesthembu. Fans of Uthando Nesthembu are buzzing with excitement and admiration following a standout moment where Makhumalo, the third wife of Musa Mseleku, took a firm stand during a family gathering. The scene unfolded around the table at a Thanksgiving ceremony, where Thobile boldly challenged Musa's words, earning praise from viewers who have long awaited such assertiveness from her. Makhumalo, often portrayed as a nurturing peacemaker, has typically opted for diplomacy over confrontation. However, her decision to speak up during the Thanksgiving ceremony, a significant event meant to foster gratitude and unity, marks a shift that has viewers celebrating her newfound resolve. The gathering sat around a table, provided a backdrop for this clash with Musa's statements, prompting Makhumalo to push back, a move that felt both unexpected and earned. This moment carries weight when viewed against Makhumalo's journey on the show, known for her efforts to smooth tension among the sisters' wives. She rarely been the one to rock the boat. Her speaking out suggests a breaking point, perhaps a response to Musa's overreach or a sense on an issue she could not longer sidestep. The Thanksgiving setting amplifies the stake. It is time when harmony is prized, making her open resistance all the more striking. Was she addressing a personal grievance or advocating for a collective? The show thrives on such a quality of being open to more than one interpretation, leaving room for viewers to project their own interpretations. In my view, Makhumalo's stand is a great victory of self-assertion, long overdue as fans have noted. She often played a mediator, but this moment proves she is not just a force with her own voice. It's refreshing to see her prioritize her convictions over peacekeeping. Through it, my rough Musa's feathers, given his preference for control. Her courage could inspire the other wives to speak up too, shifting the power balance in this polygamous setup. The ripple effect of Makhumalo's action could reshape the family narrative. If Musa doubles down, it might spark further conflict, testing his ability to lead without friction. Alternatively, her boldness could earn her newfound respect, altering how she's perceived by both her co-wives and viewers. For a show that feeds on emotional authenticity, this is a goal proof that even a quietest players can surprise. Uthando Nesthembu keeps delivering with moments like this, blending tradition with a raw women drama. What are your thoughts about this matter? Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.